So let's say we eat a certain type of food, and that certain type of food is digested by us, but things like fiber is food for our microbes, right? And that produces things like butyrate or short chain fatty acids that our microbes produce. How exactly do those fit in with our immune system?
So here's an example. I just gave a lecture and I used butyrate as an example. So since you brought that one up, we'll use that. So I think most people know what cirrhosis is. Cirrhosis is when you get really bad scarring in your liver and the liver doesn't work very well. Classic example might be like from hepatitis C or from alcoholism and drinking too much alcohol and your liver gets scarred and doesn't work very well. There was a nice study that was done, I think 2019, last year, where they looked at butyrate levels in those people who had cirrhosis. And they found that the higher the butyrate level, the lower the risk of complications from cirrhosis, like skin turning yellow or jaundice, getting the ascites or fluid buildup in your belly, getting the confusion that comes with liver disease, the liver confusion called encephalopathy, and a number of other things. And that was very interesting because it suggested that the higher your butyrate levels, the lower the risk of complications from liver disease, the better your prognosis. And so what's a good source of butyrate? A good source of butyrate is from the microbiome, from the microbes. So, whether you're taking a supplement of it or you're eating a lot of vegetables and fruits and you're having good butyrate production in your gut as a result of that, these are things that may potentially, we can infer, may potentially help reduce the complications of liver disease, because that chemical, that compound, the short chain fatty acid, the butyrate, plays a role in doing that. Now, exactly how that happens or why that happens or what every chemical pathway or mechanism behind that is, I don't think we know that, but we do see that correlation.
And is it only from fibers, from the fibers from food that we feed our microbiome so that they can produce things like butyrate?
Yeah, so through the process of fermentation or digestion of these fibers, you have production of butyrate. Butyrate is considered a postbiotic. We have prebiotics, probiotics, and now we have postbiotics. Postbiotic basically means that it's something that the microbe, the bacteria makes. So it's like an end product. And it's the same concept we're talking about. It's, same principles, as far as metabolites are concerned. Metabolites are basically, chemicals that are made by the microbes.